May tagakuha yung isa eh.
May taga-gawa siya eh. Saan muna daw eh.
Let's eat! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Oh, yeah.
Gusto mo ng ano? Ay,
Happy New Year, baby!
Yan muna. O, ano ka mamaya. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Tadan.
Healthy lang tayo lagi. More blessing. More cakes.
More cake.
More customers. And more clients. And healthy always. Yan ang importante. More works. Oo. Para makaano tayo. Ayan, that's my favorite Eric curry. Yan, chicken curry.
Chicken curry?
Oo, yan. Gusto niya yan. Ay, ako nagluto niya na.
Yes.
Yun ang request niya yan kasi gusto niya yung aking chicken
request?
curry. Request ni Eric kasi gusto niya yung aking Happy New Year, baby. Okay. And there plate if you want. I make my New Year cake. It's a brown. Hindi, sandali. Nag-ano pa ako? Nag-ano pa niya?
Asang serving spoon nito?
Hinintay ko pa ang... hanggang ano lang kasi.
Yan na minimum.
Oo. Ayan, sila. Kyle, you want to eat then?
Kyle,
Come on, get it.
serving spoon there for here.
Serving spoon daw there. I think, no, I have there in the things. It's okay later. Kain ng Ana.